A pleasant good morning to all. This is M. Jagan from 9th standard. First of all, respected principal of the school, M. Shekhar sir, and correspondent of the school, KNS sir, and all staff teachers and my brothers and sisters. Once again, a pleasant good morning to all. Today, my chance to inform about the Sir Isaac Newton. To explain about Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was born on 25th December in 1942, and let me know about the introduction of the Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was a English polymath, mathematician, physicist, alchemist, astronomer and author. And also Sir Isaac Newton was a key figure of science revolution. And he achieved the unification of physics, established classical mechanics in 1687, and he developed the modern science, both modern science in the entire world. And let's me know about the early life of the Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton, father name as Sir Isaac Newton, he has died before 3 months when Sir Isaac Newton was born. His mother was Anak Isaac. Anak Isaac, at the age of 3, Sir Isaac Newton. His mother was remarried with Barnabas Smith at the year of 1659. And also Sir Isaac Newton, mother Anak Isaac was went with his new husband. Sir Isaac Newton was disliked his stepfather at the year of 1659. Let's know about the education of the Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was studied at the age of 12 to 17. He was studied at the King's School in Grantham, and also he was the top ranked student in this King's School. And one of the most endowed students was the educated the Sir Isaac Newton. And some days after, Sir Isaac Newton was removed to school by cause of his mother, and he went to his stepfather, and he was know about the education. And let's me know about the University of Cambridge. At the year of 1661, he was admitted in the Trinity College in 1661, and he wants to educate the scholarship in 1664, and he was got a scholarship in 1664. Let's me know about Sir Isaac Newton's inventions. Sir Isaac Newton was invented gravitation, optics, Newton's laws of motion, cellulose. These kinds of invention was invented by the Sir Isaac Newton. And let's know about the gravitation. Gravitation is the force that pulls objects towards each other, and it is a natural phenomenon to each other. And let's know about the forces of gravity. The force of gravity or gravitational force is the force it keeps on the ground. And let's know about the universal law of the gravitation. In the universal laws of the gravitation, there is two objects. It is proportional to the product of their mass and inversely proportional to the square of each other and the distance. And the value of the gravity equal to 9.8 meter per second square. And the formula of the gravity equal to F equal to G of m1 m2 into r square. And let's know about the Newton's laws of motion. Newton's laws of motion was invented by the Sir Isaac Newton by the help of Galileo. And let's know about the Newton's first law of motion. The Newton's first law of motion is it will be at a rest. If it stay, it will be rest, and it will continue moving in a straight line at a constant speed. And also this is known as the laws of inertia. And let's know about Newton's second law of motion. In this Newton's second law of motion, the force acting on the object is equal to the mass, and it will be multiplied by the equation. It is F equal to m into a, F equal to force, m equal to mass, a equal to acceleration. And let's know about the Newton's law of motion. In Newton's law of motion, that is every action is equal to the object and reaction. This action is known as action and reaction. And let's know about Newton's laws of motion. In the Newton's laws of motion, mainly the Newton's laws of motion is basically indeed the basic of machine, and it is indicated the laws of motions. And let's know about the optics. It is also invented by the Sir Isaac Newton. And some of the points as invented in the optics: light propagation. The light propagation tells that light will move. And let's know about the light generation. The light generation is said that light is created, and light detected, it says that light will be measured. And let's know about the light that interacts. Light that light interacts, say that with interacts with matter, and let's we know about the light interaction. The interaction say that the matter will be changes into the mass of the object, and let's we know about the instrument of the light. The instrument of the light, it will detect the light, these kinds of inventions was invented by the Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was the great scientist in the entire world in England. Mainly he was studied at the age of 3. He was studied and he was invented so many kinds of optics in the gravity, and he's really he also invented the reflected telescope, reflected coinage, and reflection of light. Mainly in the physics, he was invented many kinds of reflection of lights. And let's we know about the Sir Isaac Newton. In the year of the 1687, Sir Isaac Newton was elected as a government in the England, and also he became the one of the chief in the parliament. And also Sir Isaac Newton was became a great scientist in the entire England. And some kinds of scientists was helped to the Sir Isaac Newton. For example, Galileo, Aristotle, Aristotle, these kinds of scientists was helped to the Sir Isaac Newton. And let's know about the awards of the Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was got 2 awards in 1703 to 1705. In 1703, Sir Isaac Newton was got fellowship of the Royal Society. In 1705, Sir Isaac Newton was got Knight Bachelors. He was not married, and he was been in the bachelor system, and he become the bachelor of the entire England. And let's know about the inventions of the Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was researched and invented the gravitation, optics, reflected, and in the year of 1665, Sir Isaac Newton was invented by binomial theorem in the mathematics in algebra expression. Not only binomial theorem, in the algebra expression, many kinds of theorem was invented by the Sir Isaac Newton, and it is introduced by the Sir Isaac Newton. Let's know about the Sir Isaac Newton's early life. His father was born in 1606, and he was died in 1642. He was a farmer. He belongs to the poor family. And let's know about his mother. His mother is Hannah Kaiser. Hannah Kaiser was born in 1622, and he was died in 1647. And he is one of the homemaker of village. And he was given when he was married second, he was given 3 children, but they were Benjamin, Hannah, and Mary. These 3 kinds of person was given birth by the Sir Isaac Newton. And let's we know about incident of Sir Isaac Newton. By the falling of apple on his head, he was invented the gravitation. Sir Isaac Newton was taken as an inspiration the apple on falling on his head. Sir Isaac Newton was invented the gravitation by the help of apple. And also Sir Isaac Newton was not believed superstitions, only believed science. At the year 3 years old, Sir Isaac Newton, mother and father was lived with Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was lived with his grandmother Marjorie Isaac. He was studied with his grandmother about the science revolution, and many kinds of revolution was invented by the Sir Isaac Newton. And also Sir Isaac Newton was the great scientist in the entire world in India. And let's we know about the interact of the Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was discovered a book named as Mathematical Principle of Natural Philosophy. In this book, mainly that mathematical formulas and invention of algebra expressions, many kinds of inventions was done in the mathematical principle of natural philosophy in this book. At last my conclusion is Sir Isaac Newton was taken as an inspiration the apple on falling on his head. Sir Isaac Newton was invented the gravity by the help of apple. And optics also one of the invention of Sir Isaac Newton. And this invention also invented by the Sir Isaac Newton by the achievement of light. This kinds of invention was taken by the Sir Isaac Newton. In our world, in our world there is an environment. In the environment, all kinds of objects is useful to us to invent many kinds of situation in our in our entire India, and in our India many kinds of scientists was become as by taking the environment and he invented many kinds of institutions, and thank you to this great opportunity.
Said about scientist Newton. He collected good information and expressed very well.